Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to hide completed tasks in your Notion database, a super handy trick for staying laser-focused on the things you still need to get done. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a tasks database in Notion, add a checkbox to mark what's finished, and create a smart view that automatically shows you just your remaining to-dos. If you ever feel overwhelmed by a long list, this will really help keep things organized and motivate you with a clear snapshot of what's left. Let's dive right in together. First up, we need to create a database in Notion that'll hold all our tasks. To do this, head to any page you want and type database. Notion will give you options, but for simple task tracking, I suggest going with a table view. It's clean, easy, and you can see all your tasks and properties at a glance. After you've added your database, give it a name. Let's call it tasks to keep things clear and easy to find later on. Now let's add a few tasks to get started. Click into your new database and enter Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. You can always add more tasks later or start out with the real stuff you need to get done. For this demo, 3 is perfect. If you're following along and typing in your daily to-dos, take a moment and add a couple just like we're doing here. Next, we want to make it possible to check off tasks as you complete them, so we'll add a checkbox property. At the top of your database, hit plus to add a new column and select the checkbox property. Let's name that column Done. This lets you quickly tick off any task, kind of like how you'd cross something off a list with a pen. It's such a satisfying feeling. Here comes the magic. Let's make a new view in your database that will only show you tasks you still need to complete. In Table View at the top left, look for the plus to add a new view. Click it and name this view Uncompleted Tasks. It's good to be descriptive so you always know what you're looking at. Now right-click on your new Uncompleted Tasks view and select Edit View. This is where we set up the filter. Choose Filter, then find your Done checkbox column. Set the filter to as Unchecked. What this does is tell Notion, only show tasks where the checkbox is empty. Anything already checked off will disappear from this view. Let's test this out together. Go back to your main list and tick the checkbox next to a task you finished, maybe Task 1. If you head over to your Uncompleted Tasks view, you'll notice that Task 1 just vanished from the list. Only your unchecked, still to be completed tasks will show up. And anytime you complete something, just check the box, and your organized list will keep shrinking down until you're done for the day. This feature is genuinely helpful if you have a big project or lots of recurring to-dos. Instead of getting distracted by what you've already finished, you can zero in on exactly what needs your attention, and there's a great sense of progress as your list gets smaller and smaller. That's all there is to it, quick and painless. I hope this helps you keep your Notion workspace tidy and your goals within reach. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. I've got lots more to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.